Hello everyone, Fabiha here. Today I'll be creating a sea-themed mixed media canvas using CrafTreat products. I'm starting out with an 8x10 canvas and I'm using white gesso to prime it. Once the layer of gesso is completely dried, I'm using a blue pattern paper from the CrafTreat Pretty Posies paper pad. I'm just going to need a little portion of this paper to cover the top of the canvas. I'm tearing the edge of one side and keeping clean edges for the other three. Once I've attached the paper with the canvas, I'm using diluted white gesso to mute down the pattern of the paper a little bit. I wanted to give the background a blended and dynamic look, that's why I'm using two types of blue sprays to blend the background. Now it's time to add some textures, that's why I'm using CrafTreat Rose With Stencil to add texture base to my background. I'm mostly trying to keep the white space clean, that's why I'm not going to add texture base to the whole background. I'm going to be adding it in random places, mostly over the top. Now it's time for some stamp textures. I'm using blue ink and a scripted stamp to add some textures here and there. Now darkening the edges with black archival ink to create a frame. I feel like my projects remain incomplete without some spatters, that's why I'm using blue spray ink to add some spatters here and there. I'm very happy with the soft and subtle background that I created today. Now it's time to add some fillers and think about the composition of the main elements. I'm using this beautiful picture for today's focal point, and I've used CrafTreat chiplet to frame it. Now I'm gradually filling the spaces with some seashells, small flowers, handmade flowers, and two sentiments that I've used today are Be Fearless and Dream. I'm not usually a glitter person, but today I felt like adding some shimmers to my project. That's why I'm using some iridescent glitters here and there around the focal point of my project. Finally, adding some blue sequins. I'm really happy how today's project turned out, and I hope you liked it too. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Good luck and bye-bye.